Hey everyone, and welcome. So let's talk about a tool you probably use like every single day, Google Drive. But here's a question for you. Are you really getting the most out of it? Well, today we're going to take you from just being a user to being a total pro, unlocking features that are seriously going to transform your workflow. Let's get right into it.
Here's the game plan. First, we'll tackle that digital clutter and get you organized. Then, we're going to jump into creating some awesome-looking documents. After that, we'll dive into the magic of real-time collaboration, show you how to get your files from literally anywhere, and wrap it all up with some amazing pro tips that will save you a ton of time. All right, first things first, organization. We're going to turn your Google Drive into this perfectly organized, super efficient digital filing cabinet. It is time to say goodbye to that digital mess for good.
Does this look a little too familiar? Come on, we've all been there, right? A desktop that's just pure chaos, or a downloads folder with 1,000 files named untitled_final_final_2. This is exactly the problem Google Drive was born to solve. It's time to get a system in place.
You know, getting started couldn't be easier. You just sign in, hit that big New button, you can upload your files or start fresh with new folders, and then just right-click on anything to see all your options. Seriously, that's all it takes to start taking back control.
Okay, now here's where a tiny bit of effort pays off big time. Don't just dump everything in one place. Group your files into folders that actually make sense, like work projects or personal finances. And then, this is a great little trick. Right-click a folder and give it a color. You can make all your urgent folders red and completed ones green. It's a simple visual trick that makes finding what you need so much faster.
All right, our files are all neat and tidy. Now it's time for the fun part, actually creating things. Let's move on to the heart of it all, making and formatting documents with Google Docs.
So when you're ready to start, you've basically got two paths. You can go with the classic blank page, a total blank canvas for your ideas. Or, and this is super useful, you can use one of Google's professional templates for things like resumes, project proposals, or meeting agendas. It saves a ton of setup time.
This is where you really make your work look polished. Of course, you can easily format your text and pop in images or tables, but here's a real pro tip. Use the Styles menu for your headings, like Heading 1, Heading 2. Not only does it keep everything looking consistent, but it also automatically builds a clickable outline of your document. For long reports, it's an absolute game changer.
And this right here, this is one of the most powerful stress-reducing features in all of Google Docs. Have you ever accidentally deleted a huge, important paragraph and felt that panic? Well, with version history, you can literally travel back in time. You can see every single change anyone ever made and restore any older version with just one click. It's a total lifesaver. Now, let's talk about the feature that truly makes Google Drive so special: real-time collaboration. This is where you stop emailing version after version of a file back and forth and just start working together in the same document at the same time. It feels like magic.
Okay, this is super important to understand. When you share a file, you're in complete control. A viewer can, only view it. A commenter can see everything and leave suggestions in the margins, which is perfect for getting feedback. And an editor, they have full control to make changes directly. Knowing the difference is key to collaborating effectively.
And the process is so simple. You just click that big blue share button, type in people's email addresses, or just grab a link you can send to anyone. And once people are in the document, you can highlight any piece of text and leave a comment. It's perfect for giving really specific, targeted feedback right where it's needed.
Next up, let's talk about freedom. Your work shouldn't be chained to one computer. With Google Drive, your office is basically wherever you are. And this is the key to that freedom. Offline mode. I mean, think about it. You can be on a flight with no Wi-Fi, working on a report, or on the subway, tweaking a presentation. The second you get back online, boom, everything you did syncs up automatically. No internet? No problem. And setting this up takes like a minute. First, make sure you have the Drive app on your phone or tablet. Then just go into the settings and flip the switch for offline mode. That's it. Drive will then make sure your recent files are always available anytime, anywhere.
All right, you've totally nailed the fundamentals. Now it's time for the really fun stuff, the tips and tricks that are going to make you a true Google Drive power user.
Let's open up the Pro Toolkit. First, that search bar is way more powerful than you think. It can actually search for text inside your documents, and even inside PDFs and images. It's amazing for finding that one thing you're looking for. Next, use the star feature. It's like a favorites list for your most important files. You can also add extensions to get new features, and for sure, you should look into enabling backups, just for that extra peace of mind.
But here's my absolute favorite pro tip. This is a true secret weapon for productivity. In Google Docs, go to the Tools menu and find voice typing. You just click it, start talking, and watch your words appear on the screen. It is shockingly accurate, and it's a game changer for just getting that rough draft done super fast. And just like that, you've gone from zero to hero. Seriously, think about it. You've learned how to conquer your digital clutter, create documents that look amazing, master real-time teamwork, and unlock shortcuts that are going to save you time every single day.
So, I'll just leave you with this one question. You now have the tools, you have the system to be more organized and productive than ever. The only thing left to figure out is, what great idea are you going to bring to life first?